Hello guys, in today's episode we're going to be talking about how to copy, paste and cut in Excel. There are two basic ways to do it. I can either use the long form or the shortcut way to copy, paste and cut in Excel. Now let's dive right in. I know you might want to copy something in a particular way and you'll be so frustrated that you say it pasted in a particular way. You might not understand. Let me just tell you something, okay? Let's go to J2. I want to copy J2. To copy J2, click on it. The long form is you right click, choose copy. Once you press on copy, if you watch closely at J2, you see a dotted green line moving around it. This is an indication that J2 has been copied. Okay, let me go to J2. If I go to J2 and I right click, you have so many paste options. Okay, initially I told you you might want to copy and paste, and you might paste in a certain way that you don't want to. You're not expecting it to appear. Okay, now this several paste option has pasting the value. That's just pasting the value, or you can paste the formula from G2 to J2, or you can transpose. This transpose works if you're pasting a particular worksheet, a whole worksheet, or something that has rows and columns. Transpose means making the column to be the row, making the row to be the column, like switching the columns and rows. That's transposing. You can copy paste the formatting, sorry, or you can paste the link. Okay, so these are different paste options and you need to be very careful. If you just want to paste the value, just go ahead and click on this value V, and that's Control V. It has finished. That's a shortcut for pasting value. Control V. So Control C is a shortcut for copying. It works for everything, but Control V is only if you want to paste the value of G2 in J2. Okay, let's say in H2 I have another total that is multiplying equal to A2 multiplied by F2. Okay, let's say I want to copy this formula A2F2 to H3. What I need to do is I'll do Control C. Now I'm not copying the value, I'm copying the formula. If I do Control C and I right click, I won't do Control V right now. If I do Control V, it means I'm just copying the value. That is why each and every step is important. I will skip this. I go to formula. Okay, I need to select where I want to paste it first, then right click. I'll paste formula. Are you seeing it? So instead of giving me the exact value of 189.05, it gives me another value, which is the formula. And if I click on this, it's showing me that I'm multiplying F3 and E3 and F3. If I click on this, showing me that I'm multiplying E2 and F2. So this is showing you that you copied the formula, not the value. Okay, you can also copy the formatting style of Excel. You can copy so many things in Excel. You can paste so many things in Excel. So you can paste the value, you can paste the formula, you can paste the formatting, or you can even paste a link. So it differs. So you have to know what you want to, so you won't be confused or paste something you're not supposed to paste. Okay, so that will be all for copy and pasting in Excel. No matter how easy it is, if you don't really know it well, you can end up confusing yourself. Okay, so this is it. Let me copy the second value and paste it here. As you can see, this gives me the same thing as this, but the first one that I click copy is still showing me that it's being highlighted as copied. That shows you that you can copy in multiple places. Let me you can paste in multiple places. Let me just keep on pasting. If you keep on pasting, the original one you highlighted, you copied from, will still be there. You can keep pasting. You are pasting in a million places, and this one will still be rotated, showing that it's highlighted, it's been copied. So if you're tired of copying and you want to unselect this, just go to it and double click, and it goes away. Okay, if you didn't double click, you keep on pasting. It might even confuse you if you're so new to Excel. Okay, so that is it for copy and paste. Let me undo. Now for cut, what does cut do? Cut actually removes a value from a particular cell and put it in another cell altogether. So unlike copy is just like making a duplicate of something and put it in another place. But cut doesn't make duplicate. Cut removes that value, like jack it up and put it in another place altogether. Okay, but now to cut, what you need to do, you right click instead of choosing copy here, you choose cut. And if you choose cut, you still see that same dotted moving line here. If I go to J2 and I paste, have you seen it? It have moved this value from G2 to J2, and it only has one paste option, so you don't need to copy format, copy formula. No, Control V covers this. Control V, that is cutting the value, because you want to cut, you're focusing on the value. Okay, okay. Let me try out something. Okay, let me undo. Okay, so that's what cut is for you. So to do the shortcut here, what you need to do, okay, let me on select first. To do the shortcut here, what you need to do is to do Control X. Once you do Control plus X, you've cut, and Control V. Okay, sorry. So Control X is cut, and if I go to J2 and do Control V, that's pasted. So you either right click and choose cut, or you do Control X, Control V. Okay, this is the shortcut. So this is a simpler way of you to copy and paste. Okay,